Oops. Did you see me navigate away from the presentation from slide 20?
Yes. So, okay.
So then I will be the one that have to do everything then, right? To put the video in because can you do something right now on this slide?
Yeah, so if I go to it and I'll show you, let me well, wait a minute. I think that one is yours. So first you need to share yours with us. And then we can do something on that side.
All right, and how do I do that?
Try clicking that arrow in the top right hand corner, that drop down arrow. It looks like your menu stuff is hidden.
That?
Yes, and then click share. And type in our names on
Okay.
the ad.
So what's your name?
Sadia Johnson. It should be showing to you. Oh no, yeah, that's print up. SAA.
SAA. Wait a minute. Okay.
Here it is.
All right.
And then Gail Hillary, GAIL. And yep, that's it.
Okay.
And so then we'll go to our shared with me folder.
You said go where?
Go into your Google Drive and then go to
Okay.
share it with me.
Okay.
And just so that she can see, you're down on slide 20.
Okay, I saw you say hi.
Okay, and so that is on the presentation.
Okay.
On the since you're sharing your screen, like I can see, I click back to the Google Meet and I can see where I typed hi.
Okay. So can you type hi while you're in Google Meet with me, or do you have to toggle back and forth?
If I'm on the same computer, I would have to toggle back and forth. But what I'll do is, because I'm already I'm using a computer and my laptop, so I'm gonna go ahead and access this on my laptop since I have the Google Meet on my computer, just so that I can see both. Because
that's not very effective.
It's probably easier if everyone is 100% on what it is that we're doing. So maybe next week or the week after when we do this, it'll be like, oh, okay, just go right in.
Okay, so like now my screen is projected and you can go from your computer, find the YouTube video and put it here.
Right. Well, and we're each gonna do that. So even though you're projecting, when we get to the part where we all work individually, like we each do, one person do 19, one person do 20, like that, then I mean you will navigate away, but the rest of us will be working, so it won't matter. That makes sense.
But I thought our assignment was to find a video together and put it right here for slide 20.
So go up to slide 1.
And so the group task seems to me like we would all use the same YouTube video. We would discuss it and then write that summary. And then later on, after we did that as a group, then somebody would go to slide 9 19. Someone will go to slide 21. Someone will go to slide 22.
So the slide 20 that it's referencing is, let me see if I can
Because if that wasn't the case, I don't understand why it was necessary for us to project something if we're going to do our own thing.
so that it would be in this presentation, because we're doing one part of our own thing, but the other stuff we are doing together.
Which is what? Slide 20, right?
Yeah, but not this slide 20.
Then what slide 20 are we doing? I'm confused.
What's that other yellow box you have next to this tab? Like immediately to the right.
Who, me?
Yes.
You see a yellow box?
So this current tab we're in, the tab to the right of it.
Right here?
Up some more.
Right here?
Like your computer, your browser tab.
Right here.
Yes. All right, go to slide 20 in this.
But this is not what she said to do. She said for us to do the group thing.
Right. But go to this slide 20 here.
Oh, 20. Okay.
So on the other presentation, when it says, please follow the instructions on slide 20 of the session 1 guide to assist you with completing the group task. Reminder, only one person opens this slide and shares to the group. This is the slide 20 that she's talking about. So when we go back over to the group breakout, there's a group activity. And so I guess as we go down the group activity, we're all doing stuff. But when we get down to 19, 20, 21, we'll each have our own slide.
So you're saying we do this, we do this, we do this, we do this, we do this. You're saying for us to do all of this.
Right. And so the only thing that individually that I'm going to go type is on slide 19 or 20 or 21.
What in the world? Okay. This right here. Okay, but okay. On this one, it says participant 1 type here. What are we typing?
Our name, so that she knows who did with whose individual slide, like is their individual part.
Okay. Okay. So we're doing this whole presentation, not just slide 20 and 19 and
Right.
we okay. Now I can't. I'm like, now I can't get the thing to be that small. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm trying to make my screen that small.
You on a laptop?
Yes.
Just pinch your fingers together on the.
That's what I'm doing, and it's not working. Oh Lord, ignore that. See, it's just changing slides. It's not.
That's so weird.
Yeah. I thought it was a way to. Let me do this. And see, I'm saying go down, and it's getting bigger. That's crazy. This is crazy.
What about the little magnifying glass there, in a URL bar?
I can't even find that now. What is going on here? All right, now where is that? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's try that. You see it's getting bigger when I go down? That's crazy. There we are. Reset. Ooh, praise God.
Okay.
All right. So who wants to have slide 19? Oh, wait, you all can type your own names in, right?
We can. Yeah.
All right. I'll take slide 21. Why did my name go black? It's crazy. It's still black. Okay, I have time for that. Who else is in the group?
Gail, Hillary.
I'm here.
You want to type your name in for participant 2?
I'm doing that. I was reading what each slide was saying.
Oh.
Okay. We also need to
Gail, can you be participant 2? We don't have 4 people, I don't think.
So, okay, I guess I'll use this timer. All right, I'll be the timekeeper too, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, now it's on. Moderator shares activity slides with all participants. Remember to make them editors. So you're the moderator, Miss Howell Green. All participants move to complete activity starting on slide 2 as a team. All right. As a team, find a way to collectively match the terms listed on the next slide. Term definitions follow on slides number 6 and after. Numbers should be entered in the boxes on slide 4. Terms should be added to each slide after. Okay. Why is number 15 at the top?
Okay, so
Whatever.
term Google. Are we? So we type in the box.
Type the number from the other slide. So I guess we should just go through the other slides and try to pinpoint what's what. And then we'll just go back and put it in there.
Okay.
Search for information about someone or something on the internet. It already says Google though.
But would it be Google Sites?
Because Google Sites is like to build web pages.
Oh. All right. What's the next one?
Maybe that one doesn't go anywhere. I guess.
It's internet browsing.
Um, you think maybe that was meant to say internet browser, which would make it Chrome?
Would you? So that's number one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number two, used for informal or conversational style written communication. Uh,
Blogger, maybe.
yeah, probably.
If we'll figure it out when we go further down.
I'll type it in for you so that we can keep going since we're on time.
Okay. Provides interactive maps and satellite imagery.
That's the Google Earth one.
Google, what'd you say?
Google Earth and Maps.
Yeah. So that's number 3. Is that right?
Yeah, number 3.
You said you're typing?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
I'm typing on the, because we have to type the word on the slide and put the number in the thing.
Oh, okay. I thought you
We're
meant you
putting the number, so
I
you
didn't
don't
know.
have to do too much.
Okay. So number 4, used for graphics and flowchart creation, shape, text, images. Flowchart, graphics.
You think maybe that would be Google Drawings?
Yeah, that's a graphic.
Given that I have no idea what Google Drawings is.
I don't think you can put images in Google Drawings though. Or either if you can, you can't change them. Yeah, I guess.
So what would we use to make a flow chart? Which one?
Oh. Yeah, I guess that would be it. But it must be okay. So it just must be that once I know in Google Slides you can change the images, but in Google, it must be in Google Drawings you can't change the image. So that's what I was thinking. So that threw me off. But yes, that would be correct.
Okay. Number 5, email contacts, tasks, communications.
So that would be Gmail, right? We agree with that?
Yes.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And Gmail's on there twice. So maybe one of those Gmails was supposed to just say Google, like for number 15.
Search for information about someone or something on the internet.
You see how I say Gmail twice? I'm thinking maybe one of those is supposed to be Google.
Yeah. So let's try it 15. All right. So now we're on number 6. Scheduling calendars and appointments.
Google Calendar.
Number 7, used for live video conferencing and messaging.
That's the Google Meets, right?
You can message on it. Yeah. All right. Number 8, used for online video hosting and sharing. That's Google Meets too.
Mm.
Wait, online video hosting and sharing. That's YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 8. All right. Number 9, utilized for web creation and publishing.
Google site.
All right. Number 10, used for communication and web forums.
Google Forms.
It says forums. That
Oh,
sounds like a
yeah.
place.
What number are we on?
10.
10. Oh,
Oh, Forms. I see what you're saying. Used for communication.
Skip.
I don't know. Let's keep going.
11, used for analyzing, visualizing, and charting data.
Google Sheets.
12, a quick and easy surveys to gather information.
Now that's Google Forms.
That's Google Forms.
13, this is small. Make this big. Come to life with smart editing and styling tools to help you easily format text and paragraphs. Choose from thousands of fonts, links, images, drawings, tables.
Maybe Google Doc. I mean, what was it? Is it Google? Maybe it's Google Doc.
Okay. What did I say? Number 13?
Uh-huh.
So we have left Google Slides.
And what was but the one we skipped said used for communication and web. So we'll go with that one, huh?
7.
Let me know if you can hear me here or if you're present in the chat.
We can hear
In
you.
the chat box.
Was that message for us?
I guess I don't know. Oh, it's because she put we'll meet again in 10 minutes.
I don't see that.
Was this 8 or 10?
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. 10.
I'm not sure if everyone can hear me. I just want to make sure that we're connected to the main Google Meet so we can and ask questions.
So everything is covered. So we're moving right
So
along.
if you hear me, please note in the chat box.
Okay, maybe she's just coming back together so that we can just for time's sake.
Okay. So now we're up to our individual slides with this, right?
Right. And then that should be it.
Okay. I'm going to wait just a couple more minutes because I see some very busy teachers.
Oh, and then we reflect as a team.
Yeah, really hard. So I want to make sure that,
Okay. So I see
questions you have learned. The breakout room is the first for me, so definitely a new experience, and I'm glad I wanted to share with the smaller educators. Now, I know notating exactly what I need to do different. was informed that I added an extra term. Well, I duplicated a term, so my apologies for that. I knew it was 13, and I ended up having Google, Gmail on that device. So Gmail was in there twice. I'm still waiting on who are we waiting on? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. I see y'all on that test.
Can you
So
all?
going into and just really, really quick, I have a cheat sheet here. So just in case you want to know the responses to the various definitions, Google Doc was number 13. Google Forms number 12. Google. Okay. Google Sheets was number 11. Google Groups was number 10. Google Sites is number 9. YouTube is number 8. Google Meet was 7. Google Calendar was number 6. Gmail number 5. Number 6 was Google Group. Email was number 5. Drawing was number 4. Map and Earth was number 3. Blog was number 2. And Chrome is number 1. So it's a combined effort of getting familiar with some of the programs, software, and applications that are not commonly used. I use the Earth a lot, the map a lot, to the point that don't want to use it anymore because I found so many different tricks with Google Earth that I really like to use as a social studies teacher, but while I'm not used commonly. Right, number 4 is drawing. Google was an option. Okay. Let me look at what I have. So that is when I have the Gmail. And okay, I don't know if you see what you mean by that. Okay, why don't we put the answers in a document and share it in the Google Classroom so y'all can go look at that again. And I'll make sure that I correct things. I know I left off Google Group, which should have been the second email. And something else, you said 4, and I looked at that. 4 would have been, okay, multitasking. They gave me this. Did anyone have a hard time inserting the video as I'm looking for what's on 4? Was time a problem? So these are questions I have for you. Go ahead.
My question about insert the video, I had to go in and actually, resize it. So that's, we're supposed to do that, right? You go in and resize it versus it's just popping up and being perfectly in that box, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I had a question about inserting videos as well. So I'm not in my classroom insert the YouTube videos on my Google Slides, but when I put it on my video board, they seem to never play on the slide, and I have to exit out of my Google Slides and actually go to YouTube.
You actually, okay. I would have to show you on your video board because it was me and a group of students that had to play with it. It's very picky on that, but it's possible. But oftentimes the students ask for that it to just to be expanded. Let me come out of it. Did I do okay? Do I have a video? Okay, here's my video. So let me make it a little bigger. Okay, when you started, of course, the students, the first thing they'll tell you is to go ahead and just expand it because they want to, oftentimes it's not a timer, it's an actual video playing. But video is very picky when it comes to running, but it can actually play within the Google Slide. I just have to show you in person in Telegram.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let's see. Number 4 was, and I don't remember who asked that, but that was Google Drawings. I'm not sure if is that what they Jack said that too, or if that is just an oversight. Otherwise, that was Google Drawings is number 4 on the definition. Let me see. Make sure I'm not missing anything. So it seemed like it was a hectic organized enrollment in every group. I think one group I didn't see any activity in, and I'm not sure what's going on that end. But we'll make sure that next time around I'll have. And it was kind of difficult for me to determine who's in what group, and even if we're going to go ahead and do the same group again next time around, because you all have different strengths and some things you're still working on. But I really do want to address some other questions. Does anyone else have any other questions? Like that would be for the betterment of the group. Anything? Yes.
Well, I think where I was kind of confused in the group is when I did download the URL from YouTube and put it on my slide, I wasn't able to share it with everybody else to see it. So I'm not sure what I did wrong.
Okay, I want you to stay after so you can show me what you did, and then we'll see what, because there's more than one way, so we'll see which route you took